Hi, this is Keith with Rochester Concrete Products. We're here on the beautiful Mississippi River in Wabasha, Minnesota, famous for two things: the movie Grumpy Old Men, the National Eagle Center, and now we'll be famous for a third thing. This is the first installation of GeoCeramica in North America. This is a project here. We'll turn you around. This is a project. There's a little over 1,000 square feet, about 1,300 square feet of GeoCeramica going in on this terrace. Let's take a closer look. This is a piece of GeoCeramica. This is a 1 centimeter porcelain tile that is fused to a 3 centimeter concrete base. This has all the positive attributes of porcelain: scratch resistant, wear resistant, no maintenance, doesn't fade, but you're able to put it in just like you would a typical concrete paver. So you can. This is Keith back here on site in Wabasha with Tim Allen and company. We started laying the GeoCeramica around 9 a.m. this morning. Right now it's around 2 o'clock. Majority of the paving was done within the last half hour or so. Right now, a couple of detailed cuts. You can see the crews cleaning up here. All the mud that was on the tiles is being removed. We'll let this dry out, then we'll be able to dress the joints, and we're out of here.